an update video of an update video. Damn it. Welcome back, YouTubers and supporters. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for crazy weekly cars and tech content. Be sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, turn on notifications. And this video is also sponsored by ECS Tuning, which you can buy some pretty cool aftermarket parts, OEM parts, looks for your Audi, your BMW, your Mercedes, your Porsche, your VW, and even Mini Cooper. This car has a couple ECS parts like the flywheel, the clutch, and the boost gauge. An update with this video, with this car, I got a custom license plate. Another one. Another trolling, confusing one. I hope the sun's not in the way. A4. Unfortunately, it doesn't look the same as my other one, because if you compare my other one, which is the B8.5 2013 Audi A4 license plate, it's like dark in the middle. This one is clear. Damn it, I like the other one better because it was just much more confusing to read at night. Oh, it's just more confusing to read. I love it. This one's like clear. That's it. I still like it because it's confusing. It's one of a kind. I can't believe nobody thought of that before. So I'm the first like owner to have like A4. So with this car, obviously I'm not gonna be keeping it for that long. I do plan just to buy a front and rear bumper for the car, fix some interior pieces, and probably just wrap the whole entire car and sell it. I can't really sell it until I have enough money to start rebuilding my other car and get it back on the road as soon as possible. And it all varies if I do get the job at Comcast or not, because the job at Comcast that I applied to is a tech ops position. They offer the van, like you can drive the van, like you could take the van home and everything. So it's like, if I do get the job at Comcast, I get to take the van home and I get to just drive it to work. Like that's amazing. Like I don't have to drive this car. I could just sell the car. Whew. And I could probably drive my parents' car every there and now. And speaking of Comcast, I just had my interview yesterday from when this video was posted. That being said, I won't know. They told me I won't know anything until 1 to 2 weeks from now when my recruiter contacts me and tells me if I got the job or if I did not get the job. I hope I do. I really do hope. $15 an hour is not that bad of a job, but it's a good place to start. Comcast Xfinity, come on. That's like my first like successful interview I had so far. I won't know if I do get the job or not until later down the road in January, but I do hope I get it. Like, I'm just like nervous because I need that job, and Comcast is a really good company. And if I don't get the job, I have a plan B to work at another place for like $16 an hour, which is okay, I guess. I was expecting 20 for both jobs, but that's fine. I can always work my way up. And an update on the B8.5. I just won a $100 gift card by Integrated Engineering in their Instagram giveaway. Second place. And I wanted first place, but second place is still good. I'm happy. This is my first time actually winning something in my life. I've never won anything until now. So they will be shipping me out a gift card or emailing me a gift card. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I am gonna be buying 2 modifications to the B8.5 2013 Audi A4. Finally, for the moment you guys have been waiting for. It's been forever ago since I bought my mod, and a wrap is not a mod. It's just a look. So it's been a long time. I think the last mod was the FMIC, Integrated Engineering Intercooler. So we'll see how that goes. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more crazy cars and tech content. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, subscribe, turn on notifications, comment down below, and keep subscribing and showing support. Anyways, peace.